Hello everyone, I am Teja Dhobre. I am currently studying third year of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering and Research, Ausari. I currently an intern at Emertxe Information Technology in Embedded System. During this internship, we created project Car Black Box on software MP Lab X IDE and simulated it on software PixSim Lab. The project was created by three team members, Sanket Mendke, Rahul and I, Tejal Dhobre. Proceed to the topics learned during the internship. Contents. Topic learned during internship. What is car black box? Requirements. Microcontroller and microprocessor. CLCD, matrix keypad, MKP, ISR, timers. Topics learned during internship. Introduction to the C language, array and pointers, functional strings, storage classes, conditional loops and operations, embedded system and microcontrollers, MPLab XIDE, XC8 PixSim Lab. So what is car black box? It gives the record of speed of car, location, distance, traveled, driving frequency, other driving performance factors that can be measured include how hard the driver applied the brakes, how rapidly car accelerate, and how sharply driver may take a corner. Requirements. MP Lab XID, XC8 compiler, PixSim Lab PIC 18F877A, 16x2 CLCD, matrix keypad, timer 2, tactile switch. Microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller is compressed microcomputer manufactured to control the functions of embedded system in office machine, robots, home appliances, motor vehicles, and number of other gadgets. A microcontroller is a comprised component like memory, peripherals, and most importantly processor. General purpose of microprocessor in personal computers are used for computation, text editing, multimedia display, and communication over the internet. Next, CLCD character liquid crystal display. There are two types of display in PixSim Lab that are 16x2 and 16x4 display. It displays the ASIC character and spatial character. Two communication modes are 4-bit mode and 8-bit mode. MKP matrix keypad is matrix keypad. It is a small compact input device that accepts user input in a row and column and processed by microcontroller. ISR, interrupt service routine, and ISR is also called as interrupt handler, is a software process invoked by an interrupt request from hardware device. It handles request and sends to the CPU, interrupting the active process. When the ISR is complete, the process is resumed. Timer. A timer is a specialized type of clock which is used to measure time intervals. A timer that counts from 0 upward for measuring time. Elapse is often called a stopwatch. It is a device that counts down from a specified time interval and used to generate a time delay. Working. When a car black box is in a running position, the CLCD event shows the current, which is current, time, and speed. When 4 or 5 keys are placed in a matrix keypad or switch 4 or 5, the enter password screen is displayed. After entering correct passwords, 3 options are displayed on CLCD display: view log, clear log, change password. A total of 3 attempts are assigned to the user to enter the correct password. If user enter incorrect password, it is blocked for 60 seconds. Also use as SV4 and SV5 up and down keys. View log records event on the car black box. There are total 8 events with ongoing C, CN, GR, G1, G2, G3, G4 on. which are car gear changing programs. The time of event and the speed of the car with potentiometer P1 ANO are also recorded using RTC. Clear log clears the recorded log. Changing the password will change the controller password. All these options are selected by pressing SW6 next to the option star. Conclusion. Car black box technology needs to be learned and understood. The car will be updated according to the black box technology and potential candidate for future production. Scale application will be take full advantage of the unique features of car black box. Let's see how exactly working of car black box on Pixing Lab. Let's load our hex file. CLCD displays the time, event and speed, and this is a switches 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's change the gear and let's change the speed also. For login we have to click on 5 or 4. Let's enter password 4343. View log, clear log. Yes. This displays the view logs. And this all about our project. Thank you Emertxe for internship and embedded system.